Okay, here we are on the National Mall at the Folklife Festival of the Ozarks. And this area we're in over here is a lot of arts and crafts, including an exhibit with all kinds of handcrafted items and boats, including this wooden dugout catamaran, which is a indigenous form of transportation in one of the island nations, with this woven sail of looks like reeds of some kind. Anyway, this arts and crafts area is very extensive. All these booths are full of handmade goods that people from all over the world have artistically crafted. Here's a little miniature version of that catamaran.
I'd like to talk to you about who we are and where we came from. Well, we are Marshallese people. We come from Marshall.
This exhibit is from the Marshall Islands. Marshallese crafts. Right next door to them is a hand weaving exhibit, like a basket weaving exhibit. And this is from the Cherokee Nation, Cherokee Crafts. Next door to them is someone working in fabric, stories in fabrics. And then just beyond is another woodworking exhibit, white oak basketry.
So that's how you lock. That's one way to tie it together.
Are you staining these?
No, no, that's just the natural color. That's just hickory and everything. Part of this is like just right under the surface where we used a draw knife basically to scrape off all the, which essentially is just all the gray bark off the end of it, and then so you can still see I've got some of that great texture there and coloring, which would really just add to the basket if you use this for a rim. Or you could bend it inside out and do that. But on most of these, I think I actually did hand writing on these.
So this gentleman is hand shaving that hickory log, creating little strips of hickory wood to make into baskets, which is going on right next behind him. And he has to shave these pieces of wood very thin in order for it to be woven into a basket. So these baskets are going to last for a long time.
So let's say I strip off one piece of the bark, and it's going to be about 3 times this thick or twice that thickness, and I'm just going to take my knife and go down the end like this. And once I get it started, I can basically just take that and peel it apart evenly, and you'll double your production. And I have 2 pieces of this out of one strip off of the tree. But and you can do that with really good white oak. I didn't bring any with me today. It works really well.
So that was a fascinating workmanship that guy is expertly crafted. And here's the baskets that his friends are making right next door. This gentleman's also stripping the bark right off, or the slice of wood right off of the board. It's always harder than it looks. All right, so we're going to continue down to the other end of the festival to the food area and go get something to eat right down there. After we check out this beautiful quilting exhibit right behind me, including this beautiful quilted American flag that has words embroidered to it. It's the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America. Look at that. That is a really cool quilting exhibit in there. Oh wow, there's a lot of beautiful quilts hanging up in here. All over the place. Alright, so we'll come back and check this out later. Oh, this is like a kid's quilt made out of Crayola crayons. This kit was called Sunday School Singers. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's go get something to eat. See you in a bit.